Alright, so now that we have our ad units, I'm going to show you how you can place them on your website, exactly how I'm doing it, exactly how I'm arranging them in my website. And it's really easy. So you have to install a new plugin, which is called WP Insert. And this is the plugin, you simply have to install it. Alright, activate it. And here is the plugin. So go inside the plugin. Here you have a few selections. Where do you want to place your ads? So I'm placing them on two places. The first place is left of post content and middle of post content. So let's go ahead and add our first ad. Use the left of post content first. Alright, so here you have to add the code for your ad. We are first going to place the horizontal large links. Let's get the code. Simply click once on it and it will automatically select everything. Then right click, copy and paste. And click on this red button here to make the ad active, update, and it's ready. Now you have to check your website and you can see that now I have an ad right here above my post content. So a few more things to do. I'm going to place, let's open it again. Right below it, I'm going to place a large rectangle ad, but not one. I'm going to place two large rectangles. So paste, paste. So I'm simply pasting the code 2 times. And then I'm going to place again link ads below this rectangle code. Update. Let's refresh. And here is the end result. We have one link ad, then we have two squares, then we have another link ad. So how I did this, let me show you again. So the first thing I did was I placed one link ad code. Then I placed one large rectangle, and then I placed another large rectangle, and then I placed again a link ad. Now, as you can see, the squares here are not centered, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a center tag between all of these ads. So you simply write center like this, and in the end you write center with a slash here. So let's update it, let's refresh, and everything is perfect. Now our squares are centered and it simply looks very nice. Now as for the ad in the middle, so let's go here and add a middle ad. So let's get again a large link, let's paste it, let's get a square, let's get a rectangle. All right, let's place it again in center tags, center, make it active with the red button here, update, refresh, and here is our center middle of the post content. Now a few notes about the middle of the post content. As you can see, it's really not in the middle because you have to fix a few settings here. Let's go to, where is it? Alright, so you have to go down here to positioning, and here you have to change the minimum character count where you want to your ad to be placed. But it's better to use the paragraph buffer count. A paragraph, so every time you see a small blank white space like this here, this indicates the start of a new paragraph. So if you want our ads to be right here between this paragraph and this paragraph, so how many paragraphs we have? We have 1, 2 paragraphs, so we want it after the second paragraph. Let's update, refresh, and you can see that our ad is now right here. So whenever someone comes on our website, what is the point in all of this? Whenever someone comes in our website and opens it, the first thing that he's going to see is the link ads, the square ads, and everything. This is the first thing that he is going to see, and this is why I have such a high click-through rate, much higher than most of the people. Because if you compare it with other websites, you will see that well, they have some content here, they have a small ad up here or on the site, and the reason why they are not placing them in such way is because they're building on audiences, and I'm not doing this. I don't need audience. All I care about is the people that will come on my website and they will click on ads. So I get about 9-10% click-through rate. When people come on my website, 9 to 10% of them will click on some of my ads. This will earn me money. The rest of the people will simply scroll down, read a bit. They will probably say, there is nothing useful here as an information for us, and they leave the website. I don't care about these people. All I care about is that when someone comes on my website, he sees the ads, he clicks on ads, and I get money. That's all. That's all I care about. Simply because now this I don't care about the people that are leaving the website, simply because I'm not building an audience. All right. So if you want to build an audience, maybe this is not the best way to do it. So I'm simply showing you exactly what I'm doing. I'm explaining to you how it's working for me. Why is it working? That's all. All right. So I want to show you one last thing about the ads, because when you have a lot of posts in your categories, you can see that we also have our ads in. Actually, we have the ads now on all of our pages. Now we have no text here, that's why it's simply ads. But where did we have something? We have nothing. But here we had the same text. This was another example, and you can see that the ads are on the same places. Now, if you have more than one post in a category page like this one here, each of the posts will have ads on it. And if you remember, in the previous video I said that you can't have more than 3 display ads and 3 link ads. So you have to fix this. The way to fix this is you have to go and change the settings of the ad itself. So go to, let's see where it was. So you have to go to the rules, and then you have to click hide on all of these posts. So you have 10 posts per page. Here you can have a maximum of 10 posts per page. So you want to have your ads only on the first post. So go ahead and do the same here and anywhere. So you simply have to go through all of these places where you can have ads, and simply wherever you have hide on X post, you simply leave it only on the first post. Update it, do the same for the middle of post content and anywhere you have ads, and that's all you have to do in order to fix this.